Welcome back to Life with Roger. Today we're going to talk about determining the freshness of your eggs. It happens to everybody. We have that sell by and best by date on the side of the box. We kind of wonder, are they fresh or are they not? It's very easy to tell if your eggs are fresh. You simply run a bowl full of cold water and then lightly drop them in. If they float to the top, like you see this one and this one, well then the chances that they're bad are pretty high. So we're going to go ahead and pull them out. If they don't float, they're definitely good eggs. Now, they may stand up on their ends, and if they do, that means that they're not super fresh, which means they are perfect for hard boiling. But they are definitely good eggs as long as they're not floating. Thank you.